Well, now to another weather impact alert, and just ahead of the holiday with strong winds forecast to arrive on Christmas Eve morning as many are still cleaning up from last week's windstorm and atmospheric river. Let's go right to meteorologist Joe Rainier. So, Joe, how strong of winds are we talking about?
Very strong, some of the strongest we've seen in a while, anywhere from 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, potentially at the peak. Now, the window for the peak will be just a couple of hours, but still, our ground is super saturated, so it's not going to take much to see the potential of down trees and power outage. Now, this weather impact alert, David, will take effect on Christmas Eve, Wednesday. Basically, the wind advisory will be in place pretty much most of the day with damaging winds possible. Gusts anywhere from 50 to 60 miles an hour. Again, with those kind of gusts, we could be seeing down trees, down power lines, as well as power outages as well. The wind advisory stretches from southwest Washington all the way down into southern Oregon. So the track of this system is coming from the south, and if it stays south, we're not going to be seeing much impacting weather here in the metro area, which would be a good thing. But if it moves north, which I'm expecting, we will be seeing gusts anywhere from 50 to 60 miles an hour. So as we go to tomorrow, we're looking at basically more dry than wet conditions, and the winds aren't going to be a factor for your Tuesday. But we go into late tomorrow, still not a whole lot with the winds. Early Wednesday morning, we could be seeing those gusts near the PDX right around 30 miles an hour. As we go throughout the later part of the day, kind of went through that a little fast, my apologies. But again, anywhere from 40 to 50 miles an hour. This is just one location I chose in the metro area, Hillsboro, right around 11 o'clock. Yeah, gusts up to 40, 45 miles an hour. Again, that could easily take down trees and power lines, and not ideal with a lot of people getting ready to head out for the holidays.